Hey guys, I bought another Plouise mystery box and today we're going to unbox it together and I'm going to tell you like the value and how much I paid for like my mystery box and all that kind of stuff. So let's get into it. The first thing that we have is the Juicy Drip. This one is one that comes with like the lip mask and the lip scrub, and it's in Drive Me Coconuts and Coconut Dreams, so obviously I'm guessing it's like coconut scented. How cute is that? Love it. I really want to keep this because I do enjoy coconut, but I have so many of these open at the moment that I'm like, I just don't know, because I don't want to like let them go to waste. So I don't know. I'm gonna decide on that one soon. But anyway, the next thing we got was the Fall in Love with Plouise little pressed pigment palette. So cute. This is how it looks here, and it just kind of looks the same. Oh, this is cute. So these are the shades here. I don't know, I really thought it was going to be more reds, to be honest. Like I was expecting like pinks and reds and stuff in here, but yeah, that's what we have. It is really pretty. The shade down here is really stunning. I really want to swatch it, but I am going to put this one in a giveaway because these are all shades that I have, unfortunately. Like, I feel like it's a pretty basic palette and I've kept a lot of basic palettes, and yeah, I don't know. The shade down here looks so stunning though. I really, really want to swatch that one. I feel like that's one that I probably wouldn't have in my collection, but I can't keep a whole palette just for one shade. So yeah, that was cute. Very different to what I was expecting though. Next we have this. This is the My Second Crush, and then Crush is like crossed out. It says blush because they had like My First Blush palette or something, I think, and so I think this is like the second like version of it. So this is how it looks here. It's massive. Let's open her up. It is super cute. I really like it, and it kind of gives, yeah, it kind of looks like a school book, which is so cute. It says roses are red, violets are blue. This blusher palette lasted longer than you. That's so funny. How cute. And then you open it up like this, and wow, it is actually really pretty. Stunning. The little what do you call it? The little like stamps in here are actually so cute. I need to zoom you in so you can see them. Hopefully you can like read them, but they're so cute. I really hope that you guys are being able to like read these. This one up here says like I love you and it's crossed out. Then it has like I deserve the world. It has boy bye. This is like a little siren. This says it's not me, it's you. A little like hazard sign. Then we have block his number, and then new ick unlocked. I feel like those are so cute. I love that. I will also be putting this one in a giveaway as well because I have so many Plouise blush palettes, and a lot of Plouise blushes, so I really don't need this. But it is really, really cute. I do really like it, and I feel like the shades in there are actually really pretty, but I just have a lot of Plouise blushes. So, and then the last thing we have in here is the You Scrub Up Well, which I'm really excited about this because I've been eyeing this off on the website. This is a body scrub. I think it's in the scent Birthday Cake, so let's open it up. I've never tried a Plouise body scrub, so I'm really excited. That looks like... Oh. Guys, I'm so hungry right now, and this is not helping because this smells... Oh my god, I just want to eat it. Oh, what the hell? It smells like something I've smelled before. I feel like it smells kind of similar to like some of their face products or something. Like their skincare products, but it just smells so good and I cannot wait to use that. So that was everything that we got in this box. Let me add up the price and then I'll give you my thoughts. Oh my god, it's not letting me find any of these. Just give me a second, I'm gonna find them. Okay, so I have everything added to the cart and it equals $132, and I think I paid about $60 for this, so that's more than double what like you're paying, if that makes sense. So in terms of stuff, I feel like it's a really great value. Like I feel like it's a good deal. For me personally, not really, in the sense of I feel like I'm someone that obviously has a lot of Plouise stuff, but I feel like if you're trying out the brand, or like if you are trying to collect stuff, or like you want to, I don't know, like if you kind of don't already have like heaps of Plouise products, I feel like this would be such a great way to try out the brand, because I feel like they do put a lot of like different things in there. Like we have a body scrub, we have lip mask and scrub, we have an eyeshadow palette and like a blush palette. So I feel like it's a good variety, you know, it's not all eyes and it's not all lips and stuff like that. For me, I'm gonna obviously put majority of it in a giveaway, and that's because I obviously already have so many eyeshadows and so many blushes, so that's not on Plouise, that's on me, if you know what I mean. I'm not disappointed by any means because I can obviously put everything that I don't want in like a giveaway and give it to you guys. But if you're the average consumer, I mean, that's the thing about a mystery box, it's a mystery, so it's hard, like, you know, you don't get to choose. But yeah, I feel like it's still like, it's great value, so don't get me wrong, like I feel like it is good value. But yeah, those are my thoughts, and that's everything I got in my mystery box. I still love doing these every now and then because I feel like it's just so fun to see what you're gonna get. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.